Nice feed at... Oh yeah, go on. It is a Saturday morning, it is bloody gorgeous. It's going to be a bit of a stinker today. I've got to go out to a morning tea / lunch, but after that I'm going to jump on this fella and go camping. Bob and I have not gone camping in far too long, so I'm very excited to see my mate. I'm even more excited to get out into the bush. Let's do it. Alright, I've just had a nice feed at the Timber Cutters in Mathara. I'm actually feeling a bit sleepy after it, but we're going to hit the road and go meet up with Bob so we can go camping. Let's get on it. Man, this is like vertical.
What's behind that wall?
What wall? The fucking whole hill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, go on. You go up and take a photo and tell me. Do you reckon that Bob will go all the way up or not? He's almost just falling on his own.